Hi, I'm Álvaro Colidres with Coldwell Banker Riveras in Todos Santos. Welcome to Casa Loma. This gem of a home is uniquely located in a quiet cul-de-sac on a hillside overlooking an oasis, farmlands, and gorgeous the Sierra de la Laguna mountain range. It's separated into three structures. It's the great room, dining, kitchen area, bedroom area, and office area, and then followed by the guest casita. So let's take a tour. Casa Loma is inspired by traditional Mexican material and finishes and boasts many high-end features, expertly crafted architecture with a special focus on warm tones, custom brick and rock work, and traditional Saltillo tiles. The main building or great room is well equipped with its gourmet kitchen with a marble countertop. Quality furnishings, all with Mexican regional accents, provide a welcoming space for dining, entertaining, and relaxation. And the views from the front patio or the front deck are just stunning. Place to just enjoy, relax, and watch the sunrise over the Sierra de la Laguna mountain range. And this is Casa Loma, the second building, which has this lovely breezeway just off the great room. And it connects you with the main bedroom, the office or guest second bedroom, and there's also a full bathroom. So let's step inside and take a look. Casa Loma, the romantic master bedroom, is housed in the main building with handcrafted palo de arco furniture, custom brickwork, a full bath adjacent to the exercise room, office, or guest area. And here we are in the guest area with this beautiful shaver mata of palo de arco, has a nice dappled light. This is the guest casita, which was built later on as a more contemporary, very colorful finish, and it's very playful for your guests. Or you can use it as an Airbnb rental. So whatever you decide, there are a lot of choices for this property. So I'd like to take you through the guest rooms, and I know you're gonna love it. So the guest casita retains the warm tones of the traditional Mexican finishes with a more contemporary feeling. It's used mostly for guests, friends, and sometimes rentals. It includes 2 bedrooms. The main room has a queen bed, and the guest room has 2 single beds, very colorful, whimsical, perfect for kids, and a large full bathroom that connects both bedrooms. Outside, the shaded ramada area with outdoor barbecue provides the perfect location and place for your guests to relax and enjoy. And Casa Loma has the most lush, mature landscaping, including coconut palms, Washingtonian palm trees, vibrant bougainvillea, banana plants, orange trees, rare desert plants, and colorful succulents. And nestled on the hillside, you'll enjoy these gorgeous palm orchard, farmland, and oasis views, along with the mountains, and it's just a really quiet, peaceful place to call home. So here we are on the rooftop, Casa Loma, and the 360 views up here are just incredible, just gorgeous. The mountain views behind me, Sierra de la Laguna mountain range, the farmland views, the oasis view. You can really see the oasis from here. It's truly a special spot. In this direction, we also have ocean views. This home is built to take a second story, so you can go up one more floor and have a rooftop deck, and you'll have these incredible ocean views of the mighty Pacific. Whale watching is just starting to arrive this month, so we're in for a good season for whale watching. And as an added bonus, Casa Loma includes 2 lots. The house is situated on about a 1/4 acre lot, and just below is another 1/4 acre lot where you could add on more casitas or build a spec home or terrace garden and just be very creative with your space, or just keep it as a nice buffer lot. over half an acre of land total, close to town, oasis settings. What more can you ask for? Well, thanks for joining me here at Casa Loma. My name is Álvaro Colidres. I'm with Coldwell Banker Riveras in Todos Santos. I look forward to hearing from you and showing this lovely property. Just come by and ring the call bell, and someone will come and greet you. Hasta la próxima.